Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are on day 5, I think. All the days are blending together. I fucking don't know. We are in Seattle. Spent the night here. Obviously, last night we got in. It was great. Great hotel. Big shout out to Kenny. And we're going to go explore right now. Go see what the fuck we find. Before we go, just want to say big shout out South Bay Motorsports for hooking it up for this, helping out with this ride. Again, like I said, if you guys are in San Diego, make sure to go check them out. Those guys will take care of you. You need bike work done. You need freaking a new jacket. You need a new Sena. You need, hey, they got Sena backpacks, which nobody here has. So anyways, yeah, go check them out. Tell them I said what up. All right, let's check shit out. Go get some Instagram pictures.
I think you'll park somewhere.
We'll park anywhere. I think we were over here somewhere. Last thing, we'll make it right? Yeah.
We go right?
Yeah, or do you want to go straight?
Straight.
Oh,
people are like staring like they've never seen sport bikes here.
Yeah, I know.
That's weird.
That is all Harleys and shit.
Ooh, the ferry. You want to do the ferry?
Let's go. If we can make it, I think it's there, right?
Over here.
Well, let's go get on the ferry.
So there's 2 bridges, 2 ferries, obviously. He put mine on Bane Bridge.
Then I'm just following you. Well, this is what an adventure's about. Just coming out and figuring out what the hell we're gonna do.
Yep.
So we're gonna get on a boat and go to an island, and I hope they have gas. $7 isn't bad to take a fucking vehicle across the water.
That's not.
Right?
No.
Yeah. So far, Seattle's been pretty dope. Last night we went to, where was it? We tried to get food, but we got drunk. We got a little too drunk, and then we didn't get food. But we made it back to the hotel, and that's really all that matters. We made it back to our hotel.
With our stuff.
With our stuff. What the fuck? Oh, my kickstand's down already. I'm all looking for it. And, so that was good. And today, we're going to do a tour, which we'll take you guys on. Go walk around. Got to do some gift shopping. We'll take you on that. But we figured we'd jump out here before it starts raining because it's a little gloomy. And see where we can go. And happen to come down here. So good call, man.
Yeah.
Good fucking call. And now apparently we got special parking. So that makes things much fucking better.
Fuck yeah.
Always good when you get special parking. Alright.
Let's do this.
Thank you.
Shit, dude, that's crazy. Oh, watch out.
Oh man, this is fucking cool as shit.
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh, like that? This is cool, man.
You can go up there?
Really?
Yeah.
You know it's gonna be a cool shot? Oh, look at this side. I'm gonna call red. I'm on a boat.
Do a live stream from here, dude.
Hell yeah. Oh. That's fucking loud. All right, guys. This is amazing. Look at this. We're on a boat and we're just we're just cruising. It's beautiful out here. The weather's pretty nice. No issues yet. And we're just enjoying the scenes. It's crazy. It's a little cold out here, that's for sure. We have no idea where we're going. We're just going to some island that they put on for, they selected for us, and we're gonna ride around, go get some gas. I don't know, see the scenes over there, and then head back. But I mean, look at that. Hopefully the camera can do. You guys can see it, because that's spectacular. That's on another level. Crazy ass shit. Sucks, Kenny, man. We miss you. Wish you were here. This shit is big shout out to you. If you guys don't know who Kenny is, make sure to go follow _ksix. That's ksix. And also dsgdiesel. Go follow him on Instagram and YouTube. You're gonna get a lot of different views from all 3 channels. We'll be putting up some videos. Check out the Instagram. Lots of pictures. If you go hashtag, what is it? Vlog Day 0, I think it is. That's where all our pictures are at. Hashtag Vlog Day 0 on Instagram. If you want to check out everything we've done so far on the trip. So, anyways, guys, we'll pick back up wherever we end up. So, yeah. Thank you. Have a good one. Here we go. I wanted to hit that hard, but... Alright, we need to get a gas station.
Yep.
That was fucking awesome, man. I'm not gonna lie, that shit was dope, and we get to do it one more time. Oh, man. Hell yeah, we'll be able to get some good shots here.
Man, Kenny was here with the drone. Dude.
I know, this is perfect for that type of shit.
Yep.
Do you know where there's a gas station? Oh, stop sign and then a left. Okay, thank you. You were right in the first place.
Oh, cool.
Little bit of stinging rain and big old fat rain. Rain that flew in sideways, and sometimes rain even seemed to come straight up from underneath.
What up? We're fucking hotel. Gonna take off, go do some shit today. It's day 5. I think I already did an intro, but hey, whatever. We're doing another one. So yeah, let's go have some fun. Got caught in some rain today and said fuck it, we're gonna go and check out Seattle. Alright, so it's getting cold out and I didn't bring a sweater because I didn't have room for it. So that's what I'm looking for. So they're like, hey, let's go to Target. Target will have sweaters. Target has no sweaters. So we're gonna go get some food, walk around, and maybe I'll find one before we go to the Space Needle because I have a feeling it's gonna be really fucking cold up there. I'm okay now, but we'll see. It's gonna be ridiculous. There's like all kinds of fucking construction going on here. Huh? Another Target? That's the same Target.
Is it?
Yeah. Everywhere we go, construction. The roads are all screwed up and there's hills. Alright, so we went to Target. We went to, where's the other store we went to? Target, Nike wanted $130 for a sweater. That wasn't happening. Ross, none of them had sweaters. So we finally found American Eagle Outfitters, and they happened to have, she's like, maybe in the clearance section. Walked in, boom, sweater for 29 bucks. They had it on clearance, so we got that covered. But now we are at a bar. Gonna grab some, a bar and grill. I'm gonna grab some food. They got 160 freaking beers on tap. Alright guys, dinner was delicious, and now we're gonna Uber, gonna head over to Space Needle, check that place out. So that should be pretty cool. It's a little rainy, so I don't know. I mean, you can see. Look outside. Anyways, it's a little chilly out though, so I had to get a sweater. Like I said, I found a sweater, good deal, 29 bucks, it works, and it'll keep me warm. So pick up from the Space Needle and check out the views over there. All right, so we're here at the Space Needle. We're gonna go in, take a look, see how this works. I think we have to pay to get in, but it's perfect. I mean, this is gonna be cool. Oh, there's a restaurant up there. It means beer. 30 bucks to go up here and look out a window. The dude's playing a bagpipe. Let's go look at the bagpipe real quick. Alright, someone's using a bagpipe. Never seen that shit in real life. Oh, that's pretty cool. It shows the history and the construction of building this thing. When did they build it? 1961, day one. That's crazy. Oh. This dude's getting a cigarette. This guy's going up and down. Yeah, he's swinging that hammer. Restaurant on top of the needle is turned by only a 1 horsepower motor. Holy crap. That's crazy. Some engineering, right? The first dinner. There's like no safety, nothing back in the days, just fucking open. What's on TV? Change the channel. Would you? It's 1962. There are only 4 channels.
This focal point of concentrated attention on both sides of the Atlantic.
I don't know if you can hear it.
Active communication satellite in space.
Let's talk about satellite. Look at that hoodie. That shit's fire. $30, come up here, get some views, maybe some beer. I think they have a bar, I think. And then we'll go from here, see what happens. But the views are spectacular. Most of the pictures I'm going to put on Instagram, so go check that out if you guys want to see pictures. But this is probably the best part of the view up here. It's overlooking downtown, overlooking the water, all that good stuff. So yeah, the views up here are legit, like just amazing views. But they need more liquor up here. That's the problem, right?
Yeah, big time.
They need more liquor up here because we would have stayed longer if we could have just drank. They had like a little lounge drinking area. Dude, that would be sick. So anyways, we gotta go down. I gotta get some gifts. So I don't know how I'm gonna get them home, but I gotta get gifts. So I'm gonna go downstairs to the gift shop, get some gifts to take home, and then go back to the hotel, drop it off, and maybe go out for a couple more beers. We're not gonna go too crazy because we're gonna get up early at 5 and go ride and head home. So that's gonna be a challenge. But a couple beers, put you out, go to sleep, relax, and then wake up early. There is a bar. There's a bar in the hotel. I don't know how expensive they are, but what I've noticed is the bars here cheap.
Really?
For $5 for a beer? Like normally where I'm at was $8, $8 to $9.
Where I'm at, it's about $5 or $6.
Oh, now where I'm at, it's $8 to $9, whatever. And it's good beer though. Like you can get $5 beers, but it's gonna be like Budweiser or something like that. Here we're getting $5 beers, you're getting Hefeweiser, IPAs, all of it. So
dude, since I've been here, I've only drinking IPAs.
I know. This is a new thing for you, huh?
No.
All right. No. So you're into IPAs?
No. This is like the first time I've actually
drank an IPA. Okay, gotcha. All right, guys. So we made it to finally find the gifts that we needed. We're gonna head back to the hotel. Go drink some more beer. We drink so much beer. And then get ready, pack our stuff for tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be, 1,300 miles in a day? I don't know, it's gonna be a long ride. All right, so we got some history on this place. Apparently, this used to be a gentlemen's club back in like the 1900s, the gold rush era. And she said, first one on the right? Oh, holy crap. Look at that. So she said this place used to be a gentleman's club, and yeah, they've kept it mostly the way it's supposed to be. As you can see, it's crazy. Look at the architecture. Oh, might be able to get a little time-lapse video going on over here. Let's go. Let's go. Putting on music and shit. That sounded creepy too. So the hotel, anywhere you go in the hotel requires a key. To get into the hotel requires a key. To get into the elevator requires a key. It's kind of interesting. Yeah, service-wise, these guys are top-notch. They're super customer service friendly, like legit. Free water. They come to your room like, how many times did you say?
Every 3 hours.
Every 3 hours they come and clean your room. That's insane. So you come back and your room's clean. Dirty it again, you come back and it's clean again. It's crazy. So it's not once a night. Let's do a quick tour. Kenny, thank you, sir. So here's the room, living room. Where's the lights? Is the light switch?
Over there.
Alright. What?
Yes, sir. I'll turn it on.
Alright. Let me put this down. So that, we'll do a little tour here. This is the bedroom, right here, which is pretty awesome. Let's see if we can do a quick pan. Come on, do a circle, do a circle, do a circle. Do more? No? Okay, so I gotta do it myself. There you go. Here's the room. It's pretty nice. I know. That shit's dope, isn't it? You know, Kenny, you the man. You hooked it up. Appreciate it. I'm so upset that you weren't here to enjoy this with us. So we've done everything we can to make sure we enjoy it. Look at that sweater I picked up though. Ooh, that looks clean. Alright, let's go take a look in the bathroom. Check this out. Bath. It's a fucking heavy ass door. And this is a bathroom. I mean, it's like every other bathroom, but it's pretty nice. Old school, kind of. We'll do a pan again. Might as well do this little circle pan thing so you guys can get a good view. There you go. Alright, on to the living room. Turn this around. So here is the living room. And we'll go this way. Nope, go that. You go that way, I'm gonna go this. Oh, no. Oh. There you go. So here is the living room. Pretty awesome. Nice pull-out couch, so that works out really well. And it's kind of like a little apartment. She did say some of these used to be apartments from when it was a club. So that's interesting. And let's take a look. We can go outside here. Take a look at the patio. Oh yeah, we can go out here and you can see there's all kind. Look at the view up here. Let me make you guys up higher. That way you guys can see more. Yeah, there we go. So that's the view, and you can literally walk around. Hold on, America. Yeah. You can walk around the entire thing. Like if you look, we could go all the way around the building up here. Walk all the way around. But that's what Seattle looks like, people, downtown. You got a nice view over there. The only problem is they need to get up here and like power wash. There's shit everywhere. So that's the hotel. Gonna put our stuff away, take a piss, and probably go out and drink.